Hello there, welcome to the Media Coach video tip. It's been a while. I had to wait till I got the haircut again. Today I want to talk about trust. Trust is really, really important when it comes to delivering speeches. It's important in life, isn't it? And we've found, certainly in politics, there's a lot of questions about trust. I'm not going to get into that. What I want to talk to you about today is how can you show people that you're trustworthy when you're delivering a speech, a presentation, whether it's online or offline. Number of things to think about. Tell your own stories. If your own stories aren't authentic, then you shouldn't be telling them, but chances are they will be because you were there at the time, you know what happened. There'll be other people who were there who can verify what you've said. Conduct your own research. Do surveys, do studies, interview lots of people, collect together a body of evidence that supports what it is you're saying. And if you're going to refer to somebody else's research, make sure you give the full reference. Make sure that people can check, they can Google right there and then what it is you're saying and make sure that that's correct. And when you're answering questions, try and help people out by using your experience and your expertise. Could be during the talk or it could be at the end of a talk. Increasingly these days, question and answer sessions are getting longer, speeches are getting shorter because people want to see you demonstrating your expertise, thinking on your feet, solving a problem there and then, using your knowledge, your wisdom to answer their question, to give them some information, to give them an insight, to show them a way forward. So if you can do all of those sorts of things, tell your own stories, use your own research, refer to solid research, use your own imagery as well. If you're using slides, so there's no worry about copyright or anything like that, then you will be seen as trustworthy. And a trustworthy speaker is incredibly valuable because you know you can rely on them and therefore you can be referred to other people. So think about how you can demonstrate your trust, how you can demonstrate you're trustworthy, and you will get booked again and again to speak. I wish you the very best of luck.